everyone, welcome back to LPU Times, a podcast where we bring inspiring voice and stories from lovely professional university. I am Swapna Shah, today's host. In today's episode, we'll be having our guest, Dr. Sonia Ahuja ma'am, a respected faculty member from Department of Music. From today's podcast, we'll be exploring her journey in the music department and connection with the students. Ma'am, I welcome you to LPU Times. It's wonderful that I am having you in the podcast.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Ma'am, I want to begin with this podcast by introducing yourself and your journey in the music department and what inspired you to choose music as a career till now.
Thank you, Swapna, for having me here. I'm Dr. Sonia Ahuja. I'm working in LPU as assistant professor in music. I've joined LPU in 2024. I was in LPU in 2009 also, because I've started my career from LPU only. Then for some reason I had to leave, then I had to continue my studies. I have done Masters, MPhil and PhD in music only. And frankly speaking and honestly speaking, that music was not in my family. Nobody was in my family into music. But yes, my mother used to sing in some kind of family weddings or functions. Maybe from that I have got that interest in music. Yeah. So this is the journey of mine.
Oh wow, it was very beautiful journey that from your background, family background, there was no one in the music, but have you still choose the music? It is very interesting, ma'am.
Actually, I wanted to become a doctor. Oh, I became a doctor, but not a medical doctor. Still, I am a doctor.
Different doctor.
Yeah. I deal with emotions.
Ma'am, as we know that music is such a beautiful and expressive art form which connects a person with the rhythm and everything. So I would like to ask, my second question is, could you share some memorable experience from your teaching journey in the music department?
I have a lot of memorable moments. But few of them are like, few days back we went to Kerala, Thrissur for a theatre festival. I went with students and it was so encouraging, it was so knowledgeable and learning experience for me also.
Okay ma'am, so my third question will be related to the what quality you want to give to students. So as a music educator, what do you think the most important quality a student should have while learning the music?
I think a student should have the quality which I feel every student should have: dedication and patience.
Yeah.
Because if you are not dedicated towards what you want to learn, so you will not able to do anything. So that is the most priority, I think, most prior thing a student should have.
Okay.
Because music is a subject which demands dedication and patience also.
Okay.
And today's generation is like they don't want to learn, for years, or they just want it for a short time. So it's not for a short period. So it's a life learning process. So patience is required and dedication.
Yeah, means at last we are thinking patient is equals to the music. So if you have patience, you have
Then
a
you
good
can
career
learn.
in the music.
Yes.
Okay ma'am, so I would like to ask you the fifth question, the experience in the LPU. So you have already told me that you have a very long journey in the LPU. So, and it's a vibrant culture also, we can say, here in the LPU. So how has your journey at LPU has begun so far, and what makes music department here special to you?
As I earlier told you, I joined LPU in 2009. I worked here for 1.5 years at that time. Now I joined it again. In working in LPU is a very, again I'm saying it's a learning experience.
Yeah.
Every day we learn many things. The best thing about music department is we not only offer vocal music only, along with that we are offering guitar to them, we are offering rhythm classes to them, we are offering studio classes to them. So at last a student is a package. Whenever he or she is going somewhere, they have a package of everything, which I find very good here. I worked in other places also, so this kind of curriculum is not anywhere.
Yeah, okay.
So LPU is providing a lot of things to students.
I agree with this your point, ma'am, because I also saying that LPU is like a vibrant, as it names, that lovely profession university.
Yes.
and it's vibrant with culture also, and they give more importance to culture. With every culture, the students are here. My sixth question is that often we are connected as a faculty, you are most connected with the students every day. So my question is that students often find music both challenging and emotional also. So how do you connect with the students and helps them to express themselves through the music?
For me, every class is an interactive class for me. Like I feel that every class should be interactive because sometimes students are not in a mood to learn what I'm supposed to give them. Like I feel today I will teach this thing, and student is not in that mood to learn. So I ask them. There's a one student, Subhash he's in first year, so he's having a lot of problem in learning. So we give time to him. I start class with him only because he is the one who's facing challenge in learning music. So this way we try to connect with the students, with their emotions, how they feel. So this kind of thing.
Like grabbing their what is the weakness, so we can make them the strength part.
Like if I'm teaching any raga and I can sense that students are, they don't want to learn raga today. So I switch the class to other thing. I teach them tal, I start with Bollywood song. So in this way we make our classes interactive.
Okay. Now I want to ask one question that I'm not from the music, but I want to ask that like in other departments there will be theory part and there will be practicals also. Will this be same in the music also? They used to read all PPTs and there will be anything, or there are only practical one?
No, we have theory also, but we have practical most.
Yeah.
Theory we have only 3 or 2 classes in a week. So that is mandatory because you should have a basic knowledge about the terms and the definitions. So that's why we have to teach them theory as well.
Okay ma'am, so the last question is that many students today are passionate about the music, but they are unaware about how to pursue it, and what are the like guidance they lack in the guidance. How can we start our career in the music? So what advice would you give to them, to the young students who wants to make their career in the music?
First thing I discuss with them, they should have a passion about music. If they have passion or dedication, they can learn. They should find a good teacher. Nowadays what happened, students learn from social media or YouTube. Because music is the thing, it's a one-to-one training. You cannot learn it from online or social platform.
So
you should have you should have a proper guru or teacher.
Same like the dance and the music, there is the importance of guru. Hamesha. Yeah, ma'am. So ma'am, I want to wrap up this podcast with a small request. As you are a music educator, so I want you to sing a piece of music for my audience. Yeah, ma'am.
There are many compositions, but usually I sing ghazals much.
Yeah, ma'am.
So I'll end up with any ghazal. नियते शौक भर न जाए कहीं, नियते शौक भर न जाए कहीं, तू भी दिल से उतर न जाए कहीं, नियते भर न जाए कहीं.
Wow, it was very good song, and I really can say that we were goosebumps again. So it was like beautiful song, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for coming here and sharing your inspiring journey and your valuable thoughts towards the music and the connection with the students and your journey in the LPU. So thank you for the audience who are watching here, and stay tuned for the more episodes, and till now, goodbye.